Hello everyone, this is Laura from firealarm.com. Today we'll be unboxing the Edwards EST G4AVRF red Horn-Strobe with fire markings. This unit is a part of Edwards Genesis LED G4 series. We'll also be talking about the Edwards EST GP10 room-side wire mounting plate, which is needed to get this series of Horn-Strobes wired and functioning. It is important to note that all of these new Genesis LED series units come in two versions, one without an E in front of the model number and one with an E. The E version comes pre-packed with the GP10 room-side wire mounting plate, and the version without the E requires the GP10 to be purchased separately. However, both models are interchangeable and are exact equivalents. The G4AVRF and related Genesis units all feature high-performance LED strobe technologies. This allows for more devices per circuit, the ability to use a lower gauge wire, longer wire runs, and fewer booster power supplies. Each Genesis series unit also features easily adjustable candela and decibel settings via front switches on the face of the device. Light output options include 15, 30, 75, or 110 candelas. There are swappable covers to change color from red to white, or to change the markings from fire to other languages. The G4AVRF also has the following general features. You can find more information on this product line and compatible accessories on firealarm.com. Genesis G4 horns and strobes mount to the required GP10 room-side wiring plate. Without the GP10, you cannot install your Genesis unit. Also note that for the GP10, do not remove the shortening clip until you are ready to install the notification appliance. Make sure to take off the included dust cover before installation. Plug the device into the wiring plate by setting it on the top of the plate and snapping both together into place. Genesis LED G4 series horns, strobes, and Horn-Strobes mount to any standard 1-gang, 2-gang, 3.5-inch octagon, and 4-inch square electrical box. Matching optional G4T trim rings are available to cover oversized openings. For all information regarding installation of Genesis series devices, check out firealarm.com's resource tab on each product. As always, you can find all technical documentation regarding this product or accessories on firealarm.com. If you have any technical questions or need help placing your order, you can give us a call at 888-497-0290 or email us at sales@firealarm.com. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future firealarm.com updates. Firealarm.com, the trusted source for fire and life safety.